Welcome back to Raman and Raman Mortgages. I wanted to share some insights from the latest CMHC Mortgage Consumer Survey because it highlights why many Canadians are either refinancing or buying a home right now, and more importantly, how you can make a more informed decision that's right for your particular situation. So let's face it, with interest rates and inflation and real estate headlines everywhere, it can be hard to know what to do next. But here's the truth, there's always an option. And it starts with understanding what your numbers are and what your goals are. So if you're in this bracket of renewing, make sure it's the right fit. A lot of people assume that they have to take the straight renewal offered from their bank, but that's not always the best move. First reason why is because the bank will always offer you a rate that's 15 bips or 0.15% higher than what is actually available in the market. So it's always a good idea to try and negotiate. If your plan is to renew with them, negotiate that rate with them or with the real mortgage broker. If your current payment is manageable and you're happy with your terms, then that's great. You could just sign off on the paperwork and send it right off. But if you feel like your money could be working harder and smarter, it might be time to explore other lenders. And that's when a switch or transfer product might be a better fit for you. If you're in the boat of refinancing, there's a bigger picture to look at. Many homeowners are opting to refinance because they've accumulated debt that they want to consolidate. They're looking for better mortgage terms and they want access to equity to improve their cash flow or invest and make their money work for them instead. If you've built up equity and want to make smarter moves with your money, refinance could be a powerful tool. Imagine a lower payment, improving your cash flow in a heavy inflation market such as this, right? Now, let's say you're thinking of switching lenders. Maybe your current lender limits how much extra you can pay each year. If you're serious about paying off your mortgage faster, we can look into a switch or transfer to a lender that aligns with your goals. There's lenders that provide, a 20% prepayment option. And maybe that's something that you would like to be considering, and be mortgage free quicker or free up that equity a lot faster than, you are able to do right now. It's all about using the right product for the right season of your life. Now, buying a home in today's market, yes, it's a buyer's market, but that doesn't mean sellers are actually just giving away their homes, right? However, if you're looking to upsize because your family is growing or your family just needs more space, considering turning your current home into an investment property, and then you can use the tax saving benefits of having an investment property for, when you file your taxes. And a first time home buyer that, you've been saving and renting for, a long time now, and it might be the right time to enter the market. Then with increased amortization options that are available for first time home buyers now up to 30 years, qualifying has just gotten a little bit easier. So there was a survey that we were reading, and it said renters actually get into the housing market after 5 to 6 years of savings. So if that's you right now, we can possibly get you into the market and look at some homes that may fit your budget. We'll run the numbers based on your goals and whether you're selling or using that equity, keeping your current property, or stepping into a market for the first time. Bottom line is that there is no one size fits all strategy. Your mortgage isn't just about rates, it's about your lifestyle, it's about your future goals and making your money work smarter. If you're unsure about your options or you just want to run the numbers, I'm here to help. Let's book a time to sit down and go through your situations together. There's a booking link in my bio if you'd like to check it out. Or just leave a comment in the comment box below and I'd be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching.